What's good, y'all? So I just washed my hair and I am trying a retwist for the first time in my 16-month lock journey, my DIY micro locks. I have 323 locks and I'm like, let me give this a try. If you watched my last video, I did a quick touch up using a retwist method. And I thought, okay, well, this time around, I am going to do that. I've been moving rather fast, but I wanted to show you guys so I can capture some footage so you can see what I'm doing. I got a little conditioner water in here. I'm parting it off, spraying each section, and I got my prongs. I'm separating my parts with my fingers more so, and if it's anything I gotta fine tune, I'm going to use my rat tail comb. I really haven't had to do this, but getting up and through the middle, it gets a little frizzy in there. So I don't want to marry any of my loose hairs. And I'm just twisting with my finger down a little bit. And then I'm just clamping it back. Do another one, and this process is like fast. You know, I'm hoping it lasts. I haven't been working out or anything. If I'm sweating in my head, it's because of hormones. If you in your 40s, you know what I'm talking about. Or if you just that girl, then you know what I'm talking about. That time of the month, child. Those sorts of things. And I'm just twisting it back and clamping. Since there's more hair at the top, listen, I've been gathering them like this because most of this is retied, so I ain't got to do much. And I'm literally just clamping the whole row. And then I'm going to add a clamp to these few here. I haven't oiled my hair yet or anything. This is freshly washed. I let it air dry in a turban earlier, 100% cotton turban. I ran my errands, and then when I got home, I just let my hair down, let it air dry, and then this is where we are. Once this dries, I am going to oil my hair with my current oil mixture, and that's jojoba oil and castor oil equal parts. And that's it, y'all. So I'm just twisting. I'm a clamp, parting mostly with my fingers. I at least want it a little damp so it can hold a little better. And one more for this row. And this is real time, y'all. Like, this ain't taking no time. I think the only downside to this is that, you know, it's obvious it's not going to last as long as a retie would. But hey, I'm taking that risk this time around. And that's that. And then I just have one more row for this section. And I'm gonna do the other side. So I've been spraying on both sides and down the middle. The middle shouldn't be that bad because I did a retie not too long ago just so my hair looked neat, and I'm just combing in the sparse hairs. Anything I see, ain't gotta be perfect. I don't like popping locks and all that, but if it's a strand or two, I will pop. If it's a must, I ain't gotta have a perfect part, but I do want to see my scalp, y'all. Just because I do like to switch up. And then with certain styles, you know, you kind of want to see your parting, whether it's from the side or if it's in the middle of your head. So I'm going to finish this up. I'll let you guys see the final look. But thank you for tuning in. Stay tuned. Okay guys, I finished with my retwist for the first time, and I'm gonna show you. I didn't use many prongs. I kind of clamped them together by row under here. I think it turned out rather well. And I did the top last. And then I'm gonna use my dryer. I haven't used a dryer in years to kind of dry the middle of my head so I can take out my prongs and go to sleep. The majority of my hair has air dried, and this didn't take me long at all. Like, I would say a couple of hours, if that, and then I kind of fell asleep on the couch. That's usually what happens. But yeah, so once I have my prongs out, I'll show you the final look. Keep on watching. Okay, so I started in the front of my hair, so I am going to actually take a prong out with you guys to see the outcome and how they help. Not bad. I'm gonna leave them on the middle because that's the part that I did last. That ain't bad at all. And I'm gonna just go through with my oil mixture, put my do-rag, my bonnet on, and try to get some rest. Not bad. I really hope this lasts, y'all. I know, like, with a retie, you know, you're more secure. You don't have to worry about maintenance for several weeks. But if this could hold up in the same manner, couldn't tell me nothing. All right, but I'm gonna continue the same, and then I will show you guys the final look. And there you have it. When I say the retwist method, y'all loved every bit of it. I plan to keep you guys posted with my progress and just my overall outcome. But the middle part to the side part, everything was just so seamless. No tension on my scalp anywhere. Love it. So as always, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you on the next video. Peace and love, guys. Later.